see with your eyes, alright?
Oh, food pura must expensive. This is chocolate matcha drink. Hello guys, this is day 2. Going to have breakfast. Heading to have breakfast at the hotel. I think this is the one. Yanchana undene e kade. Oh yes. This is my breakfast. Mom's breakfast. Dad's breakfast. Which is the first location we are going now? Which is the first location we are going now? First location? Where we are going?
Yeah.
Where?
West.
English, you don't understand English.
It's a bit, little bit.
Little bit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Jale, gottavuchi. We reached Sanctuary of Truth.
세계와 같은 현재의 사회 문제를 예견하였습니다. 과거의 현자들로부터 최고의 계승자로서 우리가 누구이며 어디에서 있는지, 그리고 인생의 목적은 무엇인지.
We are gonna go inside this now.
천사가 별을 찾아들고 세라포를 매달 좀 깨끗한 뉴스가 등재됩니다.
We are going down towards the Sanctuary of Truth.
Lighter, no smoking because right here it's made of wood at all. Okay, and the last one, no sexy pose, no sexy dress. Just sexy with your eyes, alright? I'm sure your eyes are sexy.
Dang, but who cares? I look like an engineer. This is so unreal.
Because right here it's made of wood, okay? I don't want to be barbecue right now, okay?
He's the king of Thailand.
Initiate thousand development happiness, right?
Ganesha.
And what about you right now? Please? Yeah.
It's a demura naman.
This is the temple of God over here. And here you have to remove your shoes before you go up. That's the God.
Finally found a Indian restaurant, Veda. songs. Oh, food pura must expensive. Yes. Thank you. Roti. Let's see how's the food here. Okay, not bad. Having the chicken, let's see if it stings on it. It does sting. Almost reached No Botanical Garden. This is the entrance. Our guide has gone to buy tickets. Woo! Who is this stylish mom? ಆಯ್ತು ಅಮ್ಮದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತಲೇ. Yes.
Let's make a photo. I don't face comedy.
Ice cream. Do you eat this?
Huh?
Do you eat?
You don't eat? No.
Elephant. बरेच जाते हो इटला. It's a Thai culture show.
This one, ikare.
This one, okay. Now we are at elephant show. It will start in some time. आशीर्वाद करनी. ಒಂಜಿ ಬೊಂಡ ಕೊರ್ದೆ. ಓ ಅಕ್ಕ ಬೊಂಡ ಕೊರ್ಲೆ ದೇ. side ರಂಚಿ ಫುಲ್ಲುಗ This is chocolate matcha drink. We keep juice for the god, I guess, like how we keep. Okay, I want to make you hear something. Wait.
ขอบคุณมาก คุณเป็นคนขับที่ยอดเยี่ยมรักคุณ
So cute.
Bye.